Hello guys, how are you? Today I want to solve one problem which is a most basic problem. I think you will see in R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal in even NCRT you will find this problem because this is a very basic problem. Today I will solve it. Actually the main problem is this problem. Uh, in this problem what actually happened? This y equal to integration ax sine bx plus c into dx. This is the product of two function. E की power ax is the one function and sine bx plus c is the another function. So how we will solve? We know the rule of Eilert rule. You know Eilert rule in product. I means here I means inverse, L means logarithmic, A means algebraic, and T means trigonometry, and A means exponential function. These are the five functions. We will let the function in that sequence. First we will first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Like here, y equal to integration e to the power ax sine bx plus c dx. Okay. Here we will take according to this Eilert rule. E is the exponential function and sine bx plus c is the trigonometry function. So first we will take the first function, what is e to the power ax, and the second function sine bx plus c. Okay. So we know the product rule of integration. What we have, y is equal to integration u into v into dx. U is the first function and v is the second function. Here u integration v dx minus integration d by dx u integration v dx into dx. Okay. Here we will apply this rule in this problem. Okay. Now here y equal to here u, what is u here? E to the power ax, and v, what is here? Sine bx plus c. Put this value in this formula. Okay. Here we will put this one, e to the power minus x integration sine bx plus c minus integration d by dx e to the power ax dot integration sine bx plus c into dx into dx. Okay. Here this is another integration and here is the another integration. Okay. Here what will we do? Y equal to e to the power minus ax cos x bx plus c upon b. What? Because the integration of sine bx plus c, what we have? Cos bx plus c, because x is the multiple of b, so we put b upon this one. Okay. Here what will happen? Plus e to the power x. What is the differentiation of e to the power x? A e to the power ax. Okay. Similarly the integration of this product is cos bx plus c upon b to dx. Now this is the another integration we have. Now y equal to this one and this one. Again we will apply the product rule here. Same rule we will apply, Eilert rule here. What we have? E to the power y equal to e to the power minus ax cos bx plus b plus a by b e to the power ax plus b. Same product. First function, second integration of second function minus a by b, here a by b, here integration d by dx e to the power ax integration this one and dx. So what we have? E to the power minus e ax cos bx. Same here we will plus a to the power b square, because the cos bx plus c, what is the sine bx plus c upon b. So here b one here, so what we have? A by b square e to the power ax sine bx. Okay. Minus a by a square b square integration e to the power ax sine bx plus c, because the cos bx upon 0, what was the integration? Sine bx. Again c, which type form is this? See here, this is the form here. This is form. Again this form we get here. This is the main trick in this question, because lots of the student little bit confused here. So now what we will put? We put y here. So here y also. So what we will have? Here minus. So we go from here y plus a square upon b square into y is equal to minus e to the power minus ax cos bx plus c upon b plus a square upon b square e to the power sin bx plus c. Okay, now rationalize b square b, so we will type b here. So what we have, minus b e to the power ax cos bx plus c upon b plus a by b square e to the power ax sin x bx plus b. So we will solve, and after that we got e to the power ax upon b square a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c. So here what we will get, here we will rationalize here. So a square plus b square upon b square into y is equal to e to the power ax upon b square. Here a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Here b square here b square. So we will cut. After that we got y equal to a to the power ax upon b square, a square plus b square into this formula. Now this is the formula you have. Now you will use this formula in many problem. Even you will use the problem in application of integration, and many problem you will get. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask the problem in comment. You can put your question in comment, please. And if you have any suggestion, you can give me a suggestion how I improve this video. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice time.